In this video, we will be learning how to enter miscellaneous charges and discounts in the Totals window. Click on the Totals button on the top of the main window. Click on Edit at the top. Find the Miscellaneous row about halfway down the Totals column. Follow it over to the Customer Pay column. Click on the down arrow next to the box. This brings up the Miscellaneous entry window. Use the first box that's available, and in the first box, use the drop-down arrow to choose A for all jobs, or choose one of the other jobs on the RO. Use your Tab key to move to the next field. Use the drop-down arrow on the next box. Pick one of the codes, either a coupon or charge for materials. Tab to the next box. You can either use a percentage, such as 10%, or, in the next box, the amount of $10, whichever applies. If you decide to put a percentage, and you pick A for all jobs, this will discount the entire RO with what you enter into the box, so be careful with what you choose. When you are done, click OK, and it will take you back to the Totals window. This will apply the charge or the discount in the Customer Pay column, and you are done. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to enter miscellaneous charges and discounts in the Totals window.